This is my first video for Module 15, and I'm using Google Sheets, or you can also use Excel to complete mathematical computations in chemistry and physics. The resource is Google Sheets, or you can also do this in Excel, which you have to pay for, but the purpose is to learn syntax combined with algebra skills to create calculators for science. The audience would be high school or chemistry physics learners or teachers that may want to use this. The ISTE standards for educators are leader, number 2, and number 5, designer. There is a little bit of prior knowledge necessary for this. Students need to know how to start a Google Sheet or an Excel spreadsheet, a little bit of algebra skills, and the actual equation for Celsius to Fahrenheit, which we're going to use in a moment. Google Sheets here, and just point out that these things are called cells. I'm just going to put a little title here. This is where I'm going to enter my Celsius temperature and my Fahrenheit conversion will come out right over here. So anytime you write an equation in Excel or Google Sheets, it always starts with equals. In this case, my multiplier is 1.8. Multiplying by whatever value is going to be in this cell here, B3. And then I'm adding 32. A lot of kids want a number in the cell B3 before they start, but they really don't need a number there. So this is kind of the algebra part. They have to think of this as an abstract thing other than an actual value. So when it enters, it's not going to be able to calculate anything because nothing is there. It assumes that it's 0. So you can see if I enter 0 here, it's going to give me the same value. If I enter the boiling point of water, which is 100, should give me the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit here, which should be 212. And that's what works. So I've created a calculator where they don't have to start from scratch on a calculator